Hi there, welcome back. In today's video, you're going to learn all about Canada's provinces and territories. You'll also learn about their capital cities. Welcome to Canada. Let's talk about British Columbia. The capital of British Columbia is Victoria. Alberta is located right next to British Columbia. The capital city of Alberta is Edmonton. The next province is Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan's capital city is called Regina. The next province we'll talk about is Manitoba. Manitoba's capital city is called Winnipeg. Next, let's talk about our most eastern provinces. The next province on our list is Ontario. In Ontario, you will find the capital of Canada. This city is Ottawa. The capital city of Ontario is Toronto. The next province on our list is Quebec. The capital city of Quebec is Quebec City. This is New Brunswick. The capital city of New Brunswick is Fredericton. The next province is Canada's smallest province, Prince Edward Island, or sometimes called PEI. The capital city of PEI is Charlottetown. This is Nova Scotia. The capital city of Nova Scotia is called Halifax. Our next province is called Newfoundland and Labrador. One part of this province is connected to the mainland of Canada. This part of the province is called Labrador. The island part of this province is called Newfoundland. The capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador is St. John's. Let's head north and talk about Canada's territories. Our most western territory is Yukon. The capital city of Yukon is Whitehorse. Our next territory is called Northwest Territories. The capital city of the Northwest Territories is Yellowknife. Next, let's take a look at Nunavut. The capital city of Nunavut is Iqaluit. Thank you for joining me on today's video. I'll see you next time.